Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue in respect of section 147 read with section 148 proceedings. The issue before the Honorable Hyderabad ITAT A bench was that if the assessee raises some objections against the reasons supplied for reopening the case of the assessee under section 147, and if the assessing officer disposes of those objections in a very casual manner by a non-speaking order or in a perfunctory manner, so whether in that case the assessment can be quashed only because of the reasons that the objections has not been disposed of by a speaking order. This issue has been taken up by the Honorable ITAT Hyderabad A bench in the case of Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus MR Hills Township Private Limited. The present case relates to the assessment year 8-9, and the facts of the case are like this. In the present case, the assessee was in the business of integrated township development. For the assessment year 8-9, the notice under section 148 was issued to the assessee for doing the reassessment of the assessee. The assessee filed ITVR 5 as a token of return and said that the original return filed by the assessee should be treated as his return under section 148 and requested for the reasons for the reopening of his case. The assessing officer duly supplied the reasons to the assessee, and after that the notice under section 143 subsection 2 was also issued to the assessee. The assessee objected to these reasons, and the main contention of the assessee was that the reasons have been supplied and the reopening has been done on the guesswork. There was no concrete information with the AO, there was no tangible information with the assessing officer, and the reopening has been done to make the roving inquiries. The assessing officer completed the assessment of the assessee, and the objections were disposed of by the assessing officer just in the assessment order, and that too was not by a speaking order, and the objections were disposed of in a perfunctory manner. But the assessing officer made some additions, like additions for the advances received. Some additions were made for non-compliance of the TDS provisions under section 40A clause IA, and 14A addition was also done. When the matter was before the learned CIT appeal, the assessee raised very vehemently the ground of non-disposal of the objections of the assessee in a very casual manner or by a non-speaking order. The CIT appeal accepted the appeal of the assessee and quashed the assessment proceedings on the basis of that the objections of the assessee has not been disposed of by a speaking order. When the matter was before the tribunal also upheld the order of the CIT appeal and said that in the present case, the assessing officer has grossly failed to follow the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of JK and Driveshaft India Limited versus Income Tax Officer, which is a 2003 judgment and which is reported in 259 ITR at page number 19. According to the Supreme Court, in the case of JK and Driveshaft, the objections of the assessee has to be disposed of by a speaking order, and the assessee also relied on a case, that is Arvind Sahadev Gupta versus Income Tax Officer, which is a 2023 judgment and which is reported in 22 ITR online page number 703, in which it was also held that the assessment proceeding should be quashed for non-disposal of objections of the assessee by a speaking order. The revenue relied on the case of Home Finders Housing Limited versus Income Tax Officer, but the tribunal was with the assessee, and the tribunal was of the view that in the present case, from the reading of the reasons, from the reading of the objections of the assessee, and from the reading of the order of disposal of objections of the assessee, it is very clear that the objections have been just disposed of for a namesake, and there is no reasoning given in the order of disposing of objections of the assessee, so the assessment proceedings are liable to be quashed. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus MR Hills Township Private Limited, and this case is reported in 126 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 12, and the date of the judgment is 31st July 2025. Thank you, friends.